Hello guys, let's continue with our series. For the lecture number 4, we will be learning about the differences between AI, ML, DL, which is deep learning, and data science. Let's begin. Artificial intelligence. It is the broadest concept of all. It contains all of the elements in itself, like machine learning, deep learning, and data science. It refers to the machines that can mimic human intelligence. The goal is to make machines think, reason, solve problems, and learn. It includes rule-based systems, logic, planning, and learning systems. For example, chess engines, voice assistants, robotics control system. Alright, so basically AI is the broadest concept of them all, and it is simply a machine that can mimic some artificial intelligence or some human intelligence, right? What's the full form of AI? The full form is artificial intelligence. So it uses an intelligence of some sort. Is That's what we are able to judge from its name. What's the goal of AI? It's to make machine think, reason, solve problems, and learn, right? That's what you want from a computer, and that's almost what you want or what you would want from a machine that can make calculations, that can think like human, and also solve problems for us, which we might or might not be able to solve ourselves. For example, a very large calculation. We have chess engines who think and act like that. We have voice assistants who respond to our commands. We have robotics control systems who just perform the task that we give them. Then we have machine learning, which is a subset of AI. Alright, machine learning is a part of AI. It focuses specially on learning from data, right? As we already discussed, the machine learning uses the learning or training of its models by interacting with the data, getting the training, and then using the prediction or decision making to come up with outputs. It also uses algorithms to build models that predict or decide without hard-coded rules. So basically it is using lots of different algorithms and making models. These models basically predict or decide whatever the output is going to be without any hard-coded rules, you know. It improves with more data over time. So as you keep on increasing the data, the accuracy or the learning curve of the model will also increase. For example, spam email classifiers, product recommendation systems, stock price prediction, and so on. Then we have DL, which is deep learning, and it is a subset of machine learning. It uses neural networks with multiple layers to model complex patterns, right? So basically what is DL? It's basically a like connection of neural networks which have multiple layers, right? These layers allow them to solve complex patterns. It is excellent at handling images, audio, text, and large unstructured data, right? It can handle lots of varieties of the data types. Then it learns hierarchical representations, which is from raw pixels to high level features depending upon the hierarchy. For example, we have facial recognition, we have self-driving car perception, and we have language translation with transformers, right? These are some of the examples of the deep learning. And then we have data science. It is a broader discipline involving the entire data life cycle. It combines statistics, it combines machine learning, domain language or knowledge, and data processing. It focuses on extracting insights, visualizing trends, and supporting decisions. May use ML as a tool, but not limited to it, right? So data science is like a broader connection of all these, like the entire data life cycle. It has statistics, it has machine learning, it has domain knowledge, it has data processing. It basically focuses on like getting the output, getting the insights, or the visualizing trends regarding what a trend or a graph might say. Also in supporting decisions, means in order to make decisions for your tasks. And it might use machine learning as a tool, but it is not limited to it. It can use more than that. Some of the tasks include data cleaning and wrangling, exploratory data analysis, predictive modeling, communicating results with visualizations. I think these must be pretty easy for you to understand. Finally, we have some quick analogy. AI, the goal, makes machine intelligent. Machine learning, the method, which is learned from data. The deep learning, which is the advanced tool, deep neural networks, for example. Then we have data science, the process, extract meaning from data using ML among other tools. Alright. So data science is simply a process where we are extracting meaningful data, and we might use ML for that, and we might also use some other tools. That was it for this video. I hope you were able to understand. Thank you for watching.